Hey there, this is Wendy's World. So I bring to you some beauty tips and lifestyle videos. And the reason why I bring them to you is because I'm a mature gal. And I feel like us mature gals, well, we don't get enough airtime, so to speak. So here I am. I'm a mature gal and I moved all the way here to Vancouver from Toronto. And I want to tell you what my life is like thus far. Well, it's been really a great ride. I was able to break into all kinds of different paddling groups. So what I noticed here in Vancouver, it's not easy to break into social groups because, well, like anything, they're already organized and people already know each other. But I did find an amazing paddling group called Sup Ladies. From there, I was able to paddle every Tuesday on Taco Tuesday, and I met all kinds of wonderful people. And then the organizer asked me to be the administrator of the group. From then, I was able to also organize my own paddles, and I also met my boyfriend here. So as you can see on some of my videos, Vancouver is gorgeous, and the paddling trips that I've been going on are fantastic, and I've been meeting some amazing people. I hope that you enjoy my videos on Wendy's World. We have met now 250,000 views, and that really excites me. 250,000 is great. It's amazing when you actually really think about it, because I am a small channel and 250,000 is a lot of views, and yeah, I know that people are appreciating the videos and getting something out of it. So thanks so much for joining us, and I'll see you next time. Bye.